So what's up guys, back again with a brand new video. Obviously this time we've got another treat of a 2018 Skoda Octavia VRS Wagon. And I just want to say guys, on them last two vids, mate, you smashed it. We smashed it. Over 50,000, well, yeah, over 50 views. Yeah, 50 views on the last Mustang video, that's still climbing. The first review's over 115 views, which I'm amazed at. So thank you guys, keep on liking and keep on subscribing as you do. So yeah, let's get into this amazing Skoda Octavia VRS Wagon. So guys, now you join me with the car. Unfortunately the owner, due to his respects, he doesn't want to be on camera, but luckily I get to take this out today. So we're looking at obviously an 18 plate Skoda Octavia VRS. Standard, these are 245. Now this one's had a stage one remap from Revo, supplied by motorworx over in Sittingbourne. But yeah, as you can see, looking at the engine bay, nice little bit of detail, everything like that. It is warm guys, so not going to touch it. Oversized ram air intake for the engine, but yeah, no, it's lovely. And then as we go down to the front guys, we've got a nice Maxton front lip with the red pinstripe to contrast with the yellow VRS badge, which is making it stand out so nice. Obviously as we go around the car guys, we've got the standard wheels with some tyres. I don't remember the name of them, but the owner knows them anyway, it doesn't really matter. They're decent tyres for this car, but obviously he wants better ones in the future. 19s standard Octavia wheels, which to be honest with you, from a standard point of view with the diamond cut, look very nice on camera. Obviously we've got the black mirrors, gloss black mirrors that go with a gloss, like the red and black combo. Oh, this is a nice little feature he's done guys. On the steering he's got, again, it's a 7-speed DSG paddle shift. It's got the side skirt, well, the paddle shift extensions. I wish he, again, this is just a pet peeve guys, and the owner's probably looking at me thinking what's he viewing the side skirts for, but side skirt extensions with the Maxton just to finish it off. Again, it's just lovely wagon, lovely affordable wagon. I love these cars guys. Maxton lip extension for the spoiler, sets it off nice, again with the nice red and black gloss black combo. I love that. Coming over to the rear guys, we've got, it looks like, yep, another Maxton rear diffuser, which looks really nice. The exhaust, obviously you can see the tips, VRS badge to match again, and I'd say light smoke, yeah, light smoked rear lights. Obviously we've got the tints done, limo tint on the back. So yeah, all in all guys, it's a stunning motor. I really do like these cars and I can't wait to take it out for a drive. So I'll see you when I'm in the driver's seat guys. Catch you in a bit. So guys, you you see me behind the driver's seat. I'll tell you what, I love this car. Seriously, if I ever wanted like a family wagon or anything like that, I really love this car. It's a nice car and everything's nice. This is the thing, I want to say this now. People kind of like have a go at the build quality of Skodas, but I'll tell you what, how this is, like infotainment, everything like that, all brakes are lovely on this as well. But yeah, no, it's a lovely car. Again, it's got that map, you can feel it's ready, like everything's ready. But yeah, no, these cars are lovely. Right, I'm going to give it a little bit of an automatic guys, and yeah, let's give it a go. Jeez! This car is just amazing guys. It just wants to go. I'll tell you what, for 310 brake, I love this. I really love, look at that grin in my, look at that massive grin guys. Oh, these cars are so fun. Oh, I'm loving this. So comfortable, so comfortable. The power's there, and that's not even with like Sports Plus guys, because again this is a DSG, so it's a 7-speed. But I tell you what, fair plays, and I mean that, fair plays to the VAR group and everything like that, for like your Audis, Golfs, everything like that. This, it's something else. I'm not nervous because like the owner said to me, give it everything she's got and give you guys something to, you know, enjoy it. And I'll tell you what, that first little clip there, it's lovely. But even if you want to cruise in these cars, they're lovely. I keep on saying lovely cars, guys, but mate, it just handles so well. I just wish, like, again, respect. I have massive respects to the owners. Well, owners, sorry, I didn't mean owners, but I have massive respect for him for letting me take this out. I'm enjoying this already. I can tell. You can tell on the camera the way I'm just stunned. But yeah, that little turbo dump valve as well. Again, guys, with that oversized ram air in this, just, you can hear it, every little bit sucking up. It's like, yeah, I'm ready to go. Let's boost. I'm go. Let's go. This car just wants to, you know, go. But I love it. We'll take it for a little bit of a longer drive, guys, anyway, but seriously though, I'm very, very, very impressed. Brakes are on point, everything's nice. Alright, what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to put it... Right, oh, that's nice, at least it's got like a start, which it would. Right, I'm going to give you a little blitz in a minute with these paddle shifts. Oh, she's spinning! She's spinning! Jeez! Right, I've got to slow down now. Let's get a little... Oh, this car, it's so lovely. I'm going to do another lap, guys. I need to do another lap on this. It is so amazing, guys. Mate, even with like Sports Plus mode, with these, I'll tell you what, these paddle shift extensions though, they are so lovely. I just love that noise. I just like a little nice little bit of turbo flutter and everything like this. And this is the thing, guys, this is petrol. This is like the TSI, so it's like the modern one. Again, I'm going off of like older Fabias and everything. Well, same Fabias, I don't mean to say that, you know what I mean, guys. Octavias, Mark 1s, but this. Oh no! Oh. But even on kickdown, it's so on point, guys. I'm going for another lap. We're going for another lap. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna, if no one's about, I'm gonna put in thingy quickly. Fuck me. Alright, I've just lost head revenue, guys, but fucking hell, that was a launch and half. Alright, it was a shit launch, but oh no. Oh, this is lovely. This car is so lovely. Oh. I'm proper like shaking now, guys, but these cars, these are no joke, guys. Seriously, no joke. Just gonna slow down. Go down a little cheeky B in a minute. I'm just gonna do a little turn. But yeah, no, guys. Parking sensors, everything you want. Should we try another launch, guys? I reckon we need to do another launch. I bet you others like, oh, don't launch it, don't launch it. But I'll tell you what, we're gonna try it. Right, so, alright, even them brakes are lovely. Nah, she didn't want that, guys. Jesus, the torque. traction was kicking in like an arsehole on this, boys. And that's 7th. Even that changing a little. Oh, guys. You can chuck this. You can chuck this, guys. I love this. Oh, it handles. But yeah. Yeah. I'm just pulling up to the island now and he's looking at me saying, yeah, he knows. He knows. Ah, oh, this car. Wow. Mate, I'll tell you what. DSG needs more it needs well, it's just one of them ones. All right, I'm learning that it's got like stop start guides, but Jesus, yeah, this was a good video, guys. Again, this is just a thing, like me taking it out. Again, shout outs to the owner, shout out to Lewis Healy, massive respect, brother. I mean it. This car, ooh, you need to keep this. You need to get some more tasty gear for this. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. But if you like this video and all the other reviews and everything, please comment below, hit subscribe. Obviously, everything helps me. Obviously, I'm improving, as you can see, with different reviews. Again, I just want to say, guys, I'll review anything. Obviously, you're slightly modified, you're heavy modified, and even stock cars. If you want your car on the channel, my links will be in the description, obviously down low. If you want to be a member of the group Off Stock, feel free to obviously I'll leave a link to a Facebook group. Feel free to, you know, join us. You're more than welcome to. Everyone's welcome. But yeah, again, this video, guys, was amazing. Seriously, I mean, my hands are shaking a little bit and you can see I enjoyed that. But yeah, this is amazing and I can't wait. I know the camera's picked it up in the little teaser, but I can't wait to review that nice, tasty Clio RS trophy. That will be in the next video, guys. I'll catch you in a bit. Please subscribe, comment, like, share this with your mates. Again, it all helps. And I'll catch you in the next one.